Hey guys, burping whatever. Basketball again. Burping basketball again. Miss 3 shots. If I miss, I have to burp 3 times. Make it burp once. Oh guys, anyway, if you guys like this game, you should try it out on your own if you know how to burp. I made it up. But anyway, so however, if you like it, leave comments at the bottom saying you like it. And have people subscribe. Share my videos, leave comments. So here we go. This is part 3 of the burping basketball, but I'm still going to put it in the burping like 20 something. So, it's burping 20 something, but I'm just playing basketball in case you haven't watched the other ones. Here we go. First one burp for me. Oh, there's the burp once. Like I said, I make it 1 burp. That's all I have to do. I don't make it, I have to do 3 burps for you. And so far in the last few videos, I think you guys were dominating me. And I was humiliating myself, partially. So 3 burps. That didn't turn out very well. Okay, alright. What was it again? Oh, yeah. Behind shot. Damn it. I let 2 burps for you behind shot. Because that's hard. But now becomes the real serious part. Oh yeah. Okay, that was just to show off. Two more burps. Sun dunk, bitch! Oh yeah. 1 burp for me. Sun dunk. Oh, damn it. Okay, time for a big burp. 3-pointer. Damn it up. Fine. 1, 2, 3. I failed. Fine shot. No fair. That doesn't count. That was maybe 2. There, my burp was failure. Just now behind shot. And the ball. I failed like hell. So, big one now. You remember these, right? That failed. Okay, I guess. Behind shot again. Damn it! You guys are probably laughing at my dignity that's failing right now. I'm being humiliated by myself. Four minutes in, huh? Interesting. Okay, have flash time. Piss off, man. Okay, now I'm gonna start shooting for real. I was really not. Earlier I was just toying around. Now I'm gonna really aim. That didn't count. So, time for me to really start saying. Fuck! Alright, whatever. I barely screwed that, so. It's 2 birds. 3. Okay, now for me to really start playing. Push. No, not push, backboard actually. This way around the world. Now I gotta go. Peace out, guys. Leave comments and subscribe.